It sounds unbelievable, but after just 1 week of drinking this formula every morning, the cracking sound in my joints completely disappeared. Just one glass every morning can make your knees feel lighter and your steps easier day by day. Stay until the end of this video to learn the natural drink recipe that helps relieve joint pain, regenerate cartilage, and improve your body's flexibility. The first ingredient in today's recipe is onion, a familiar kitchen staple that may seem ordinary, yet it holds remarkable power for joint and bone health. You'll need about half an onion. Trim off both ends, peel away the thin outer skin, and slice it into small pieces. Right from the step, the onion begins to release quercetin, a powerful natural antioxidant known for its ability to reduce inflammation, swelling, and joint pain. Quercetin also helps protect cartilage tissue, improve blood circulation, and enhance nutrient delivery to the joints. As a result, it can help ease morning stiffness and keep your joints more flexible and comfortable throughout the day. Place the chopped onion into a clean bowl. This recipe isn't just a joint care remedy, it's also a warm family tradition. My grandparents used to drink it every morning, and now, each time I prepare it, I can almost feel the comfort and love of those family moments all over again. The second ingredient Mary wants to introduce is ripe banana, a familiar fruit that's incredibly beneficial for joint health. Choose 2 medium bananas, trim off both ends, and peel away the skin. Bananas aren't just sweet and pleasant to drink, they're also a natural mineral powerhouse that helps nourish and strengthen your joints every day. They're rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 essential nutrients that support strong bones, flexible muscles, reduce inflammation and swelling, and improve blood circulation, helping your joints move more easily and easing morning stiffness. Next, slice the bananas into thin rounds. Bananas are rich in antioxidants such as dopamine and vitamin C, which help protect cells and cartilage tissue, slow down joint degeneration, and keep your joints flexible and resilient, especially important for older adults. Additionally, bananas naturally add a smooth, creamy texture to the drink, making it pleasantly aromatic and easy to enjoy every morning. Next, add the sliced bananas into a glass bowl. When combined with onion, bananas become part of a golden healing drink that helps protect the joints, relieve pain, and restore mobility in just a few days of regular use. The third ingredient is turmeric powder, a familiar spice often called nature's golden medicine. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and place it into a small bowl. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and tissue-repairing properties. Curcumin helps reduce swelling, ease joint pain, prevent cartilage degeneration, and improve blood circulation, keeping the joints flexible and resilient, all in a completely natural way without side effects. What many people don't know is that curcumin alone is poorly absorbed by the body. That's why it's important to add a pinch of black pepper along with turmeric. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that can boost curcumin absorption by up to 20 times, acting like a key that unlocks the full potential of turmeric's healing power. When turmeric and black pepper are combined, they form the perfect anti-inflammatory duo, helping to relieve pain, reduce swelling, and slow down joint degeneration naturally. Now, Let's combine all the ingredients to create a complete joint recovery drink. First, add the sliced bananas to a blender. Bananas provide essential minerals for bone strength, help relax muscles, and improve blood circulation, allowing your joints to move more smoothly and comfortably. Next, add the chopped onion. It helps reduce inflammation and pain, improve flexibility, and protect cartilage from degeneration. Then, pour in the turmeric and black pepper mixture. This powerful anti-inflammatory duo helps rebuild cartilage tissue and soothe aching joints naturally. Finally, add 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup of water. Cover the blender and blend for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture becomes smooth and fully combined. Do you have any natural remedies at home to help relieve joint pain? Share your tips in the comments so everyone can learn and take care of their health naturally every day. Once blended, you'll notice the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and lightly golden, with the gentle aroma of turmeric blending beautifully with the natural sweetness of banana, easy to drink, and incredibly beneficial for your joints. Drink it every morning, and you'll soon feel your body becoming lighter, your joints more flexible, and the stiffness fading away, gradually restoring strength and mobility day by day. Store the remaining mixture in the refrigerator and use it within 2 days to preserve its freshness and natural nutrients. This is truly a wonderful gift from nature, a simple yet powerful secret to help you maintain healthy joints, strong bones, and a youthful spirit every day. All made from just a few familiar ingredients in your own kitchen. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.